Have you ever wondered how millions of Barbie dolls are made every year?
It all begins with injection molding, where heated plastic is shaped into perfect doll parts. Advanced machines carefully paint every tiny detail, from sparkling eyes to iconic pink lips.
Thousands of strands of hair are implanted one by one to create Barbie's signature hairstyle. Each doll is carefully assembled to ensure smooth movement and durability. From glamorous dresses to stylish accessories, every Barbie gets her unique fashion look. Every doll passes strict quality checks before leaving the factory.
Finally, the dolls are packaged and shipped to toy stores around the world.
And that's how the world's most famous doll comes to life.